Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect Figma to Shopify. This integration allows designers to create and manage their Shopify store designs directly within Figma, streamlining the design process and improving collaboration. First, you need to install the Shopify plugin in Figma. To do this, open Figma and navigate to the Plugins page. Then search for Shopify and click Install. Once installed, you will need to create a Shopify account and obtain an API token. To obtain an API token, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Apps section. Then click on Manage Private Apps and create a new private app. Give the app a name and select the necessary permissions. Then click Save and copy the API token. Next, open Figma and navigate to the Plugins page. Then click on the Shopify plugin and enter your Shopify store URL and API token. This will connect your Shopify store to Figma, allowing you to access your store's information and design elements. Once connected, you can create frames in Figma that match your Shopify store's layout, and use the plugin to import your store's products and collections. You can then use Figma's design tools to create custom layouts and designs for your store. To import products and collections, navigate to the Shopify plugin and select the products or collections you want to import. Then click Import. Figma will then create frames for each product or collection, allowing you to design and customize the layout. Finally, to sync your Figma design with your Shopify store, navigate to the Shopify plugin and click on Sync. This will update your Shopify store with the new design, allowing you to see the changes live. By following these steps, you can easily connect Figma to Shopify and streamline your design process. This integration saves time and improves collaboration, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality designs for your Shopify store.